Hi there, my name is Saeed, and today I want to take you through our platform, Parallel. So, we really started Parallel with the goal in mind to bring coworkers together, closer together, regardless whether they work in a remote environment or a hybrid environment. So, let's say I'm a new employee in company XYZ, and it's my first day here, and company XYZ already uses Parallel, and I really want to get close with my coworkers and make new friends. And we all know how nerve-wracking it is on the first day. So I would use my laptop to basically use any browser to go to Parallel and sign up with my corporate email. And just for time's sakes, I've already created an account, so I would go here like this, and then since I'm a new employee, I'll fill out some basic information. And then this is the part where it's super fun. This is the part about the interests and passions that people talk about at work that really brings them closer together. And honestly, what we're trying to do is the best work happens whenever people bond over stuff that isn't really even work. So let's say I want to pick a few of my interests, and again, for time's sakes, I'll make this a little bit faster. So essentially, gluten-free food, love it, Mediterranean food, Spanish food, American food. I do enjoy baking. So, and then of course we have Bitsy over here helping us, but there's a ton and ton of things that people can pick. And I'm just kind of showing you some of them, things that people can bond over. So after they're done picking, I'm going to click next. Since I'm a new employee, I'm creating my profile. I'll quickly put a profile pic of myself so people can identify me in an easy way. And I can add a bio and everything. But really, the main part is after I actually put these interests and I scroll down, on the left side are the users that are sharing my similar interests. So as I can see, Hannah over here loves tennis. So I love tennis. I'm going to message her. Excited for the US Open. There you go. I just messaged her. So and again, it's tennis. It's something that we can bond over. We don't even really have to talk about a project or anything like that. And as you can see, Hannah has already messaged me. Um, uh, so essentially, we're basically both talking about Serena Williams. Again, this is how essentially people are going to be able to bond much closer. And in this scenario, I've already made a friend over something I already like and that they like, rather than waiting months and months on end and then figuring out, oh, you like tennis? I also like tennis. How have we not talked about this before? So this parallel can accelerate this and make it seamless to have connections. And again, I can message so many more users, and like this is where our messages will show up. And this is a living, breathing application that works right now. So let's go down and play out a different scenario. Let's say I'm a HR rep, or actually, you know what? Let's say I'm still the new employee, and what I love, outside of work is my new car, Tesla, right? So I let's say I click create group. I know a few folks that also love Tesla, so I can type in group name Tesla. Let's say it's interest group for all Tesla lovers, right? And I can create a group right here. And I can use this code and I can actually give it to folks to actually join in. And let's say if I already know that, Hannah loves Tesla, join my Tesla group. Can't seem to type today. And so I go back here, and as you can see, my Tesla group is right there, and I can put members in here, and this way it can be like a living, breathing group that I created, and then we can talk about basically the latest Tesla stuff, how the stock is doing, new full self-driving beta updates, um, Elon's craziness, whatever, right? And playing out a different scenario, let's say I'm an HR rep and um, I'm bringing in a bunch of new hires, right? Like let's say it's orientation day. I have 20 people, whether they be remote or hybrid, doesn't even matter. What I want to do is I want to set these 20 people up for success from day one. What I could do is I could create an event. Let's say it's August new hires, right? Date and time. I'll just, again, for the sake of time, I'll go a little bit faster. Um, so click here. So, and then to my 20 new hires that are sitting on my Zoom call or Teams call, I can give them this code and they can create their Parallel account within like less than 5 minutes because that's how fast it is. And they can use this code to enter my event. And then I would have tons of people here. And then all the new hires can see other folks that share their interests. Now, people can only see each other's interests whenever they have the same interest. So the only people that are going to be able to see American food, hip hop, and some of my other stuff like this are going to be people that have the similar interest with me, right? So we, that event will pop up, and people will be immediately able to like kind of make friends and message each other, whether the message is on our platform or Microsoft Teams, Slack, it doesn't really matter. The fact is that we were able to build the connection for them using Parallel from day one. Now, this has a lot of benefits. This is our MVP. It fully works, as you can see from this demo right here. And this can really bring people closer together, especially in the remote environments where people don't really get the water cooler talk or talking by the hallway about their favorite sports teams. They can do it here. They can learn about each other here and really bond. This has a lot of benefits. This creates a huge sense of belonging, which really, increases retention. Because one of the main things right now we're seeing is that there's a war on talent. People are leaving all the time, and people want a better culture to work in. We can provide that better culture. We can increase retention, and whenever people are coming in, new, especially new people, and they're getting along with their team more because we have introduced similar interests between them, then they're going to be more productive because they're going to actually feel more comfortable, ask more questions, share their perspectives, tackle new challenges more, and just overall be more confident um, with, within themselves and within their environment. And we can provide that. So for companies, and our target market is really mid to large companies, and they will really benefit a ton because productivity will go up and retention will go up. This is our MVP. We have a lot of features lined up. I really hope we get to work with you. Thank you.